In Imo State, Army General was adopted by gunmen. Hear this news in details. It was reported that a Nigerian army chief who happened to travel to Imo State for, killing and destruction they are carrying out in Imo State against Biafran people, was adopted by gunmen, which some people address as unknown gunmen. But it is very, very clear that the reason why he was adopted because he is there to carry out their killings against innocent people in Imo State. Of course, the governor of the state is one piloting the affairs to make sure that he, retain the power because people is not happy with his time in the office as a governor. A lot of people have, um, died. People have lost a lot of things, their lives and their livelihoods. In the months past, youth of Imo State was captured in a video traveling from traditional marriage. They were adopted and sent to judgment by Ebube. And don't forget that this Ebube was formed by Eastern governors, which created controversial topic in the sense that many people were not happy about that. And the job that this Ebube was carrying was seen to be political motivated. So that leads to Biafran people to, take actions against them by coming after Ebube and their group. It was also reported that most of the Ebube group was formerly ESN members who decided to, collaborate in sending Mazin Namodekano to the Nigerian government. And they decided to, find a safe haven in the government by joining the Ebube group. Now, you may, find it interesting to ask, what is the really job of Ebube? What is their job? Are they, coming after criminality? Are they against henchmen? Are they against non-gunmen? Are they fighting insecurity? Are they against kidnapping that was so, lucrative in the eastern part of Nigeria, where people were being kidnapped, and asked for ransom? The people have paid a lot of money, including priests and bishops. So people don't know what the Bible job is actually in the state. People don't know what they're really out for. What is their primary goals? But as time goes on, we begin to find out that this Bible group are one of the people, get involving in kidnapping, committing a lot of atrocities against the people, against the women, against children. And if you are opposition party of the current ruling government, they will use this embargo to come after you. So embargo has been seen as one of the problems in the southeast. And it is so sad that the people that are supposed to know better, people that are in government that are supposed to provide security, are the ones using this embargo to do their political jobs, to eliminate their opponent. And each time they commit these things, they will now quickly rush to the media and target the ESN and IPOP and the Biafran agitators. It's not one, it's not two. A lot of series of reports have surfaced on the internet. It was this that leads to ESN people, ESN members, and Biafran to come after embargo and start engaging them in every corner of the southeast. This leads to governors to revoke and lure military down to east to commit crimes. They even made it publicly that they are now working with the Bibago people. So this is the case of a brother killing a brother. So as they're doing this, people were still confused. What is going on? Not until Samonekba, decided to take a bold action by inaugurating and launching Biafran Liberation Army after registration of Biafran government in exile, which was inaugurated as well a few weeks ago. And And the commencement of this Biafran government in exile, you can see that Biafran Liberation Army, started moving faster and engaging all manner of insecurities and governmental agents, thugs, and criminality going on in the southeast. They are doing this to make sure they cleanse up all the um, insecurity and the challenges people are facing in southeast. At the same time, a video showing a Biafran woman in Anambra State who was adopted and kidnapped by Fulani guys, and this Ebubago group were able to interrogate these Fulani people, and in that video they were asking these Fulani people, did we touch you? The guy will say no. Did we hurt you? The guy will say no. Did anybody slap you? The guy will say no. So, and this is happening after the Fulani guys must have confessed. They have confessed in that video that they kidnapped this woman. They are the one adopted the woman for weeks or even months, and they gave birth. They pregnant this woman, and the woman was not there well, take care of. That they gave her substance to flush out the pregnancy, even when the pregnancy it has already grown more than 2 months to going 3 months. So a lot of nonsense happened there, which this Bible security or a terrorist group called security governmental talks have already verified that these people, they were responsible for kidnapping these Biafran women. And this woman was crying and lamenting, going, telling her experience in the hands of these criminals. But the Bible was, in that video, trying to justify their act, so to their paid masters, that they did not touch these people. That again verified that these terrorist groups are also government people, that government is aware of Fulani terrorists in Igbo land and their crimes, but they don't want to touch them. They are untouchable probably because their brothers are the one that put them in the post of governorship and senators. When I say their brothers, I mean the northern political leaders, who is the rightful owner of the country, Nigeria. Or support you, you cannot get any political post in Southeast. So all the political people that we have there, our governors, are puppet in their hands. So they are trying to let them know that our boys did not touch your boy in our land. Our boy, in a sense that Ebubago is not after your brothers, which is the Fulani herdsmen in Igbo land. So we allow them to do whatever they want, even if they rape our women or kill us, we still love them because of you. So don't get offended. You can see how we are, pampering with them, taking care of them, despite the crime they committed. So that is literally what they're trying to say. So as the time goes on, when the Biafra Liberation Army decided to, engage those insecurities and criminalities in our land, people were mocking them, laughing at them. What are you doing? What do you have? Staminekpa is this and that. Biafran government are this and that. They are jokers. They cannot do this. They cannot do that. Then video keep on coming online showing how they engage them and what is the outcome, and how Nigerian security agencies, the military, were crying and complaining about losing their men. It was like a joke. People don't believe that. Now it has gotten to the extent that one of the general who traveled to Imo State, probably to draw a map on how to by other people, innocent people. Because what they normally do is, after Biafran Liberation Army must have engaged them and defeat them, they will revoke back and go to the communities where people are sleeping. Market women are there, children are there, people maybe they're sleeping in their business in the market. They started burning innocent houses and people that are not even in Biafran Liberation Army. They will leave the people that are that have what they have. They started chasing ordinary people, just for provocation. They are not doing this one time. They have been doing it for years now, and nothing seems to happen to them. Unfortunately for this army general who traveled to Imo State, because Imo State is now the epicenter of the whole. So he traveled to Imo State, and this is what happened to him. So this is not Biafran people or random news posts, is reporting this. This is Sahara reporters telling you how this is the headline. You can see it here. So I just want to share this with us because some of us don't believe what is going on. With some of us don't even know how all this is surfacing. Okay, guys, I'm going to draw the video here. I'm going to stop now. Thank you for watching the video. Please and please and please, I have noticed that some of us don't like to give the video a thumbs up or comment or share. Please do it because you're helping the channel. It help YT to send a notification to other people to view and to watch. Help me in this channel. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.